Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about bread savings. Now, I know what you're thinking. Bread savings? Isn't that just a bank? Well, yes and no. Bread savings is actually a brand name for a group of financial products offered by a larger company called Bread Financial. So, today, we're going to dive into the world of Bread Financial and its bread savings products. But before we get started, let's take a moment to think about why saving money is important. In today's world, it can be tough to make ends meet. With rising costs of living and unexpected expenses popping up all the time, it's more important than ever to have a financial safety net in place. Saving money can help you prepare for emergencies, pay for big purchases like a car or a down payment on a house, or even just give you some peace of mind knowing that you have a little extra cash on hand. So, now that we've established the importance of saving money, let's talk about bread savings. Bread savings is a group of financial products offered by Bread Financial. These products include high-yield savings accounts, certificates of deposit, CDs, and money market accounts. One of the things that makes bread savings unique is its high-yield savings accounts. These accounts offer some of the highest interest rates on the market. This means that your money can grow faster than it would in a traditional savings account. Another great thing about bread savings is that they offer a variety of products to choose from. This means that you can find a product that's right for your individual needs and financial goals. So, if you're looking for a way to save money and grow your wealth, bread savings is a great option. Of course, it's always important to do your research and compare different products before making a decision. But with bread savings, you can be confident that you're getting a high-quality product that's designed to help you reach your financial goals. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the specific products offered by bread savings. High-yield savings accounts. Bread savings offers a variety of high-yield savings accounts with competitive interest rates. These accounts are a great way to save money and grow your wealth over time. Certificates of deposit, CDs. CDs are a type of savings account that offers a fixed interest rate for a set period of time. They're a great way to earn higher interest rates than you would with a traditional savings account. Money market accounts. Money market accounts are a type of savings account that offers a higher interest rate than a regular savings account, but with more flexibility. You can withdraw money from your account without penalty, but you may be subject to a minimum balance requirement. In addition to these products, Bread Savings also offers a number of other financial services, such as auto loans, credit cards, home loans, personal loans. So, no matter what your financial needs are, Bread Savings has a product that can help you. Now, let's talk about the benefits of using Bread Savings. One of the biggest benefits is that Bread Savings offers some of the highest interest rates on the market. This means that your money can grow faster than it would with other financial institutions. Another benefit is that bread savings is a safe and secure way to save your money. Your money is FDIC insured, which means that it's protected up to $250,000 in the event that the bank fails. Bread savings is also a convenient way to manage your finances. You can access your accounts online or through the Bread Savings mobile app. Finally, Bread Savings offers excellent customer service. If you have any questions or problems, you can easily reach out to a customer service representative. So, if you're looking for a way to save money and grow your wealth, Bread Savings is a great option. With its high interest rates, safe and secure environment, and convenient features, Bread Savings is a great choice for anyone who wants to reach their financial goals. Now, let's talk about some of the things to consider before opening a bread savings account. One thing to keep in mind is that Bread Savings is an online bank. This means that you won't have access to a physical branch location. However, you can still access your accounts online or through the Bread Savings mobile app. Another thing to consider is that Bread Savings may have minimum balance requirements for some of its products. This means that you may need to deposit a certain amount of money into your account in order to earn the highest interest rates. Finally, it's important to compare bread savings to other financial institutions before making a decision. This will help you ensure that you're getting the best possible deal. Overall, Brit Savings is a great option for anyone who is looking for a safe, secure, and convenient way to save money and grow their wealth. With its high interest rates, variety of products, and excellent customer service, Brit Savings is a great choice for anyone who wants to reach their financial goals. So, there you have it. A comprehensive overview of Brit Savings. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that, I'd like to thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more financial tips and advice. Until next time, take care and happy saving.